So, is it a policy that you guys have to wear seatbelts while you drive public vehicles?
It's against the law, sir, and it could save your life. Sir, how often do you find this officer not wearing his seatbelt? This officer over here, we observed him coming in without a seatbelt on, and he thought it was a big joke. Okay. Brown hair, goofy looking, skinny guy. He just make sure he wears a seatbelt, man. We don't want to see him getting hurt out here.
Absolutely, bud.
You know?
Is there anything else I can help you guys with tonight?
No, thanks.
Right here, we're just flying in like an idiot. Probably no seatbelt on.
I guarantee it. You missed him. Damn it.
So I can swap what, drugs here safely?
You can swap whatever you like here.
That's what I'm wondering.
Sexual trafficking, whatever.
This is the side you'll need to be on to catch him with the seatbelt or not, you know what I mean?
Yeah, because he's going to come right in here.
If they're pulling out, then you want to be on that
Still
side.
catch him from the front, though.
See what those boys are looking up this way?
We'll see. He kind of glanced. He glanced there for resistance.
So here's borough visitor parking right here.
Right.
Interesting.
Let's walk up and...
Yeah, you can ask for a complaint form?
Yeah, I'm going to ask for a complaint form. I can actually stand right up...
That's what we are, right?
Yep.
Borough visitors parking too.
I can actually stand right here and catch them after they even make their turn.
Right.
That would be great.
I guess if you're going to ask for a form, I guess you go to that door.
Yeah, that side door with the blue light. Oh. Seatbelt check. No seatbelt. He's got to come back over here to go in. He's going to go right through that white door. He's going to go right through that white door. Oh, there's a back door too. That's right. I forgot. But here we go. Hi, sir. I noticed you weren't wearing your seatbelt.
You are an incredibly observant young man. You should be proud of that.
Did you know not wearing a seatbelt is the #1 cause of fatalities to police officers across America?
Jackass. Don't fucking be smart people out here.
4644.
So, is it a policy that you guys have to wear seatbelts while you drive public vehicles?
It's against the law, sir, and it could save your life.
Yeah, you know, a lot of officers die through vehicle accidents.
More so than anything else, and it's because they're not wearing their seatbelt.
Then you come back with a snippy attitude. That's really unprofessional.
Look at him.
We got one of these. We got one of these.
He must have something illegal in that truck. He's guarding it. He's guarding it like one of those guards.
I'm here for seatbelt compliance checks. You have failed. Can I have your name and badge number, please? Name and badge number, please?
Sir, how often do you find this officer not wearing his seatbelt?
You think it's funny? So we got to pay for your mistakes on a regular basis. What if it came out of your own pocket if you totaled the vehicle and had to go to the hospital? What if you had to pay that out of your own insurance? Would you still laugh? We're here for an actually very specific reason to make sure you guys are safe when you drive our vehicles. Policy states, another one laughing. Well, you guys are really so full of yourselves.
So when you see those plaques of fallen officers from police vehicle accidents, you guys just laugh at it? You just laugh, you say, whatever.
We do. All right. So I'll bring a copy of the policy on Monday to show you guys where it states you got to wear your seatbelt. So please wear your seatbelts. It's a policy, it's a law, and it will save your life someday.
We're
Concerned about you guys. Make sure you're safe.
we're seatbelt narcs, okay? And this is what we do. We're highly trained professionals.
All right, little doggies. Come on, little doggies, follow me.
Oh, look, he says let's go, and they all follow. Must be embarrassing, the feeling that he has.
So they go through the windshield. Let's see how funny that is.
All right, where's our next gangster without a seatbelt on? We're looking for seatbelt renegades, everybody. I'm here with Southeastern PA Community Watch, and I'm here with the Resistance.
The little red thought it was funny he doesn't wear seatbelts, huh?
He thinks it's absolutely entertaining.
And then his little buddy that came out also thought it was funny. Huh. Interesting. They must think killing people
Oh, he's
and
back.
maiming and hurting and beating people and falsely arresting is also fun. That's why I told them, we have one of those, huh?
Yeah, we have seatbelt renegade right here. He drives the plate of the vehicle he's driving today is 35288H.
Seatbelt narc. I'm a seatbelt compliance officer.
I can't find a unit number. There's no unit number. That's odd. Why wouldn't he have a unit number on the back of his bumper right there, or on the side in the corner panel? It's odd. Makes it really hard to identify who this officer is. So, seatbelt renegades here. Let's go check for more pulling in. Any more seatbelt renegades out in Yeadon? Yeadon, PA. Oh, he's looking to see if the coast is clear.
Come on Monday morning.
Look, this is what they do. They say, "Come back Monday morning." Come back Monday morning. That's what they always say too. It's weird. It's that.
So I need a complaint for.
It's against your pop.
Come Monday
No,
morning.
it's an emergency that I get this complaint form.
Complaint
now.
should-
I have a
Yeah,
complaint.
it could.
That's none of your business. I need a complaint form.
Well, tell me what you're.
I don't have to tell you what I need. I don't have to tell you what I need the complaint form for.
Okay, well,
I should be able to. This is a public accessible building. This is the police station.
Complaints should.
Come on Monday morning.
Complaints should be readily available 24 hours a day, sir.
Breaking another policy? Oh, strike two. Strike two. Did you get his name and badge number?
I need your name and badge, sir.
Besides coward?
You gonna press the buzzer? That buzzer up there is for the public.
So what do you say there? You have
And there's
to
a
come
ticket
during
drop off.
business hours?
And there's a ticket drop off.
You have to come during business hours to get it?
Yeah, that's what they always said last time I was here too. Come back during business hours.
This is business hours. Fucking it's 24/7 business hours. Ain't
crazy.
gonna answer the bell. Strike three policy. Doesn't answer a service call.
They're racking them up.
So they don't wear seatbelts, they don't give out police complaint forms, and they deny service.
What do you see in there? See anything juicy? I think it's only a stairwell that you see.
Huh. Very, very.
We'll let the Resistance get his video.
Get him, resistance.
Meanwhile, I'm going to look for more seatbelt renegades in Yeadon, Pennsylvania, everyone. Here he goes.
Are they denying service? Are they denying service? You asked for a form?
Yeah, sure. And he's bringing a sergeant down.
Why? Tell me to bring a form. We don't need a sergeant.
You're trying to tell me that they don't have access to any of these offices during the weekend or outside of business hours? They don't have a key that goes from one point to the other where they could walk in there and grab a complaint form from where a receptionist would be able to?
You should be right out in the lobby. Again.
I had to work Monday morning. I just knocked on the door. The other guy was standing here looking real silly.
What they say? You get a
I told him,
sergeant?
I said, I need a complaint form and I need that guy's name right there behind you. He said, sure. I have a sergeant come right now.
Oh, here we go.
We don't
The
need a
waiting
sergeant.
game.
We need a complaint form. What the hell?
It's the waiting game.
Ah, this is what they did over in the other place, in Upper Darby.
Let's see how long we can blow off the public since we hate and disdain them so much. There they come and point a camera at us and tell us to wear seatbelts and be compliant.
And what, the sergeant's gonna roll in here without a seatbelt on? I bet you. I bet you.
That's funny.
I bet you he comes in here without his seatbelt on. Damn seatbelt renegades. Can't stand I see and this damn seatbelt's not hooked.
Well, if they come out and try to act like because we're back here, grab that complaint form.
Alright.
We want to lead them out of here.
Let's see if they're going to come out. See if they're going to come to me again before I ask them.
Yeah, we want them to put it down here and then we'll walk up social distantly, safely to pick it up. Oh, so you lay it here and we'll walk up and you walk away.
Y'all make sure y'all keep away from them while y'all mask is not on.
What's that? As long as I keep a social distance, I don't need to wear a mask.
That's what I'm saying. Make sure you keep that distance.
Right, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a safe distance.
Won't they keep safe distances away from their hookers and whores? They pick them on a regular basis and use. The safe distance as they're beating prisoners.
At least he didn't tell me I have to put my lips on the exhaust pipe to get the complaint form.
Yeah, that's why I can't wait to get to the city. Okay? Only the city talks that way to their bosses. These guys just laugh like it's hilarious. Seatbelt check.
Seatbelt, 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 seatbelt. Seatbelt, seatbelt, yeah, that's right. All right, maybe this guy can train these guys on how to wear their seatbelt. I'll keep a good social distance. Yeah, maybe they radioed and said, wear your seatbelt because they're going to give you shit.
Oh, God.
Hey, what's up, Sergeant? Can you get us a complaint form, please?
Say it again.
A complaint form?
On an officer?
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
What's the officer?
It's which one was it for?
He never gave his name.
Okay.
He's in the building now. He knows. That guy right there knows.
Can you describe him at all, or?
Right here, he could tell you exactly. He was just with him.
This officer over here, we observed him coming in without a seatbelt on, and he thought it was a big joke.
Okay. All right. Well, let me go grab a complaint form for you, and I can grab some further information.
Appreciate it.
All right.
So apparently you can get a police complaint form after business hours.
So he's going to gather some information. He said he's going to see what he can do.
He must have said something funny to him because he was laughing.
Earlier, who we seen, so I had to come back Monday morning.
Can you go get a form for you?
We gonna see how this plays out.
Yes, sir.
Go. Those cocky little peons think everything's funny. So you call a supervisor, and all of a sudden things get done the right way.
Supervisor was professional. He wore his seatbelt. He's going to come back out here with a complaint form, he says, and he'll give the name to the resistance.
Oh, good. You asked him for the other guy's name. Good.
Yeah, because he wouldn't give it.
Right. So the bearded guy did not give his name, right?
Not the bearded guy. We didn't ask for the bearded guy's name. We asked
I did, and he laughed at me.
He would, yeah.
Yeah, well, and then I asked the blind.
I'm going to ask him when he comes back out with the bearded gentleman with the tattoos. All right, so
That's their problem.
So if they come out here with this complaint form after hours today, then it clearly shows that they violated my rights months ago when I came here at night.
Yeah, that's right, because you and News Now Billy.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Poor Josh. He's still locked up in jail.
Yeah, and they're just, you know, with the situation that's going on, it's just moving this case.
He's gonna sit in jail and rot for another couple months. Yeah, due process, huh?
Yeah, I heard that they were trying to, that his lawyer's trying to bring his bail down. Something like that.
Yeah, what was it, $75,000 cash?
7,500 cash, 75,000 total.
Okay.
On 10%.
Right. It's high because you never really cleared up his cases before you got arrested again and again and again.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I'm gonna sit. I'm not standing for these pigs.
See if
I didn't see it. No smoking, so.
Oh, I see it right there, yeah.
where is it?
On the door. Oh, in the building.
Yeah, there's a cigarette stand right there behind the trash can.
Yeah, there's a butt can, I think, right next to it.
1893 this was incorporated, so I wonder if they've been tyrant since then. A long time, that's over 120 years.
Well, after all their founding fathers passed away, it just turned right into tyranny, like right away, according to history.
It's probably true. Once they set everything in motion and got everybody happy, we can't have this.
According to Philadelphia, the Great Experiment on YouTube. Go check it out, everybody. Very interesting.
Boy, they sure really drag their asses when they got to do something they don't want to do.
I mean, it's just like the other place. They had to dust off the file cabinet and find this thing.
Again, let them know this should be very easily accessible. Right in the lobby. They should take no. I shouldn't even have to ask. I should be able to walk in and happily grab what I need and say, "Have a nice day."
It should be right there in that welcome center,
Age and time, we can understand, but
and they should be able to grab one.
politely, like we always do for fun, do any kind of problem. And that's what they're doing. That's what they're putting us through.
Exactly.
It should be a request for a complaint form. Sure, be right back.
Thank you. Have a great day.
That's pretty much what the sergeant did, you know.
Which is good.
Never asked us, you know. Well, he did ask who.
Right. You asked him that, the guy turns right around and goes back inside. That's a classic. No, the cop. So the cop came out and Wolfie's like, "How many times did you fuck this guy with your seatbelt off?" Turns right around and goes right back in. Well, I've never seen any cop in a hurry to do their job. Never seen one public employee in a hurry to do their job.
Social distance style.
At all, ever. Which is amazing to me.
You guys all need reports?
Social distance, you could just lay it right
You guys all
there.
need complaint forms or just one?
Just one.
Okay. So here's just a basic complaint form. It's got date, time, incident happened, who you're complaining about, so on and so forth,
Great.
what they did, the nature, and then your signature and stuff like that.
All right.
So as per policy, this gets investigated internally. It goes up to the mayor's office. He gets a copy of everything, chief, and then it gets investigated.
All right.
Yeah, I appreciate that. Can I have his name and badge number? He wouldn't give it. We asked twice.
His name's Officer Barr.
Badge
Officer
number?
Barr.
463
Oh, now you say it.
0.
Because your boss is here.
Roger, copy.
You might want to do it next time when a citizen asks, okay? Thank
He
you
just
very
make sure he
much.
wears a seatbelt, man. We don't want to see him getting hurt out here.
Absolutely, bud.
you
Is
know?
there anything else I
not
can help
funny.
you guys with tonight?
No,
We
thanks.
needed the other officer. The other officer that was with you, we need his name and badge as well.
You just describe him again for me? There's a couple different officers.
Brown hair, goofy looking, skinny guy.
Brown hair.
Go again.
I mean, he could give it to me.
He knows who it is. He was right next to
He
him.
was
I
right
mean,
next to him. You know what we're talking about, right?
Were you outside with someone else?
It's on footage. What was his name?
The Officer O'Donnell.
O'Donnell. Okay.
Okay?
Thanks.
Thank you.
All right?
Appreciate it,
You
guys.
may want to do something
know
about
his
your
badge
little
number?
lapdog there. He's got a bad attitude.
32.
Bad attitude.
32?
Yeah.
All right, thanks,
All right,
guys.
Yep. Seatbelt. Stay safe.
All right, let's document this gang tattoos. I mean, jackass. Well, at least the lieutenant, whoever it was professional. Isn't it funny that they have to abide by their master The guy up.
I know.
Okay.
He was
didn't
so
want to give his name at all.
reluctant before.
Yep.
Uh-oh, seatbelt check.
He'll have it on because they radioed him.
Seatbelt, seatbelt. Seatbelt,
Seatbelt's
sir.
not on, buddy. What's going on? Yo.
Come on, we just had
Yo,
this.
don't be driving away, coward. Yo. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. They just love to be ball bagged. They drive away to nothing but cowards.
Oh, well, hopefully he'll mention it to the sergeant, and the sergeant will explain. And hopefully he'll get that fixed.
Would be nice. Sergeant seemed to be professional.
Yeah.